Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up fingerprint on your laptop. So let me show you. So first of all, just give me a second. Okay guys, first of all, you have to go on the search option. So I'm going to click here and then you can see here is a three dot option. Just going to click here and click on search setting. Okay, and then you have to search on here that sign in option. Yes. In one hand my mobile and I'm typing just only with my on one hand, that's why I have a facing problem. So just you can select from there from all of these setup face sign in etc. You can set up from here, so I just click on this and you can just look in here the fingerprint recognition Windows hello. So just I'm just showing it. Okay, just you have to just click on this window. Okay, just and wait for a few and then you can see here add a finger. I have already add a finger and that's why here is a remove option. Otherwise you just only can get a setup or add finger or add option. So just simply click here and then now click on the get start and just you have to give your password what you have made already. So I'm gonna just give it here. Okay, so after giving your password, that here is this option will be window will be open. So you have to look at there. So here you can just give your fingerprint and just look at that. Okay, as my fingerprint gonna work. Oh, nice, pretty amazingly. So my fingerprint already added and just now click on lock close and just I'm gonna just show you. Okay, just just lock my laptop. Okay, lock. So my just if you look at here, here is the fingerprint logo. Okay, just if I touch here after opening my laptop, my finger my desktop will be open. That's pretty simple way it was that. So you can use this to add fingerprint on your laptop or maybe it gonna help. So hopefully you get a basic knowledge how to set up your fingerprint. In the next video I'll try to show more things, so see you in the next.